Guys, welcome to my channel. Next, in this video we are going to generate a password using a Python. Okay, this is the code you are going to write in the Python file. It's a simple code. I have given space. Let's count how much time it takes. How much time it takes. Okay. Okay, in 13 lines, we are going to generate a password using 13 lines in Python. Okay, let's start by giving a name. Let's create a new file and let's name it as passlength, and you can name it as your wish. Okay, let's start it. Okay, first we need to import two modules named string and random. Okay, we are importing string module for the cause of getting the letters uppercase, uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and punctuation marks, numbers, etc. And we are importing random to shuffle those string module. Okay, we need all the four variables to get our password. Okay, I'm naming it as set1. Using a string command, that is ASSII, letters, lowercase, uppercase. If you import letters like this, you'll get all the uppercase and lowercase in one thing. But I need a complicated password, so I'm using lowercase in one variable and s2, string SII, uppercase in another one. We have two variables that has lowercase and uppercase letters. Now let's import digits, string.digits. We have all the numbers, and now we are having punctuation marks that are available in the keyboard. In this command, you will get all the shortcuts available on your keyboard, like minus, plus, etc. everything. And we are combining all these four variables into one set. Let's call it. I'm naming the variable as s. In giving and making an empty set, empty list. Now we are extending these four variables simply using s.extend. We are extending this s variable, and you can write what you want to extend. And now let's extend another thing, s2. And now let's extend s3. And now extend with s4. You got all. Now I'm showing you by printing all those four variables in one set, naming ss. Yeah, you got all. You can see first lowercase because we have extended first lowercase s1. In s1 we have all these lowercase letters, and uppercase we got all. We need to shuffle this. Okay, let's shuffle. I'm commenting this thing, and now I'm shuffling using random.shuffle. Okay, I need to shuffle s variable. I'm shuffling the s variable now. I will show you by printing this s. Yeah, you got all the characters are shuffled in set now, right? So we will print the length of the password that the user asks. So let's create another variable. First, I comment this printing command, and now name and variable passlength, password length, and asking an input. Yeah, I'm asking an input that enter the password length, and giving a question mark. And now we have given a password length variable that asks the user how much length of password do you need. Okay, now the last command I'm going to print. Okay, Now I will print and this command. Here we are using dot join command. Wait a minute, I will show you why are we using dot join command. Sorry. I'm uncommenting this line to show you. Yeah, you got it. You got all the set in a shuffled way. So we need to print these password lengths how the user asks. But there are quotes in middle. I can't show you by zooming it. You can see the quotes for every letter and comma for every letter. So we are removing it by using dot join command. And what are we joining? Let's name it as market. In this, I'm joining S, and again printing to show you how will it output. Yeah, but it didn't get any change. Why? You need to observe that we have comment leave it, and now we can print this. Yeah, it's asking the enter the password because we have given an input. I'm entering the number and yeah, all the brackets, commas, and quotes are removed. Now we can export. Now we can give the password length that the user needs. Yes, I'm giving it. I'm indexing using square brackets. From the 0 position, I need up to pass length variable, because that's the variable that we asked the user. Now our password generator is ready. But wait, we have an integer. I think you can see that 0 is an integer. Then password length is a string. How can we index? There's a way. Using an integer command, by converting this pass length into an integer. Now all the errors are clear, and the password generator is also ready. Okay, I will ask an password length of 8. Period and password length of 8. I'm running this again, and I'm generating 45 length password. I got it. And 56 length password. I got it. That's it. We have created a password manager within 13 lines. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Leave this empty lines. We have created a password generator in 13 lines. So you can also create by using same code. It is available in the comment section, and you can see it. Please subscribe if you like this video, and please click the like and share this video, and surely subscribe.